Meaning of indigestion.
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 Indigestion. Indigestion is a medical condition that occurs when the digestive system fails to properly process food. It can cause discomfort and pain in the upper abdomen, bloating, nausea, and heartburn. Indigestion may be caused by several factors, such as eating too much or too quickly, consuming fatty or spicy foods, anxiety, or certain medications. Treatment for indigestion usually involves lifestyle changes, such as eating smaller meals, avoiding trigger foods, managing stress levels, and quitting smoking. In some cases, medication may also be prescribed to alleviate symptoms.